Dad?
We don't know, honey.
Christmas is barking.
I know.
Why is
We
he
don't know. Wait,
barking?
wait. Okay.
Why is he barking, Dad? Something's outside. Dad? Why are you barking, Christmas? What is it, boy? What's wrong?
George?
Dad, something's the matter with Christmas.
Don't let him out.
What's out there?
Todd!
What's out there?
Don't go out there!
Todd!
Christmas!
Todd, I said stop!
Todd,
Hey,
wait!
turn on the light.
What is it?
I don't know. Just call the sheriff.
Christmas! Christmas!
Todd, don't go in there!
Christmas!
Todd!
Come here, Christmas!
Todd, come back here! Get back here!
Come here, Christmas! Christmas!
Todd! Todd!
Come here! No Christmas! Stop! Christmas!
No! Todd, no. Are you okay? Are you okay? George? George, what about Ruthie? Todd, you stay right here. Do you understand me?
Marianne, you and Todd take Ruthie and the puppies up to the house.
What about Christmas?
Well, let's just get everybody up to the house, and then I'll find him.
Todd, come here. Look. Ruthie had her puppy, sweetie. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm going to look for Christmas.
I want to come.
No, you just take care of Ruthie, and you and your mom stay inside. It's okay.